Okay, guys, lesson 4. In lesson 4, we will be applying more complex scenarios to the 4-syllable block. Okay, lesson 4. Kitchen. So let's start off with writing 6 examples. An plus na equals to an na un plus ne is ne. Okay. Now in plus ni, okay, equals to in ni. Okay. On plus no equals to no, right? Un plus nu, right? Un plus nu is unu. And last we have one plus more equals to okay. I forgot to write the tail here. One no, right? An na, ne, in ni, on no, no. Now we have 6 more examples to write. So none, then erase this into none, ni, no, non, right? Na, ne, ni, no, no. Okay. Now we'll start writing the conversation. So I'm going to erase this part. Okay. So we have person A and person B. Person A says, sayun. Now, means early morning. So morning. And then sayun, as we've mentioned 3 times already, means how are you? Sayun, how are you? Sayun. Now to the next letter, the next conversation. So person B will say Yamji, right? Yam. Let's rewrite that. Yamji Sayun. Yamji means evening. And Sayun means how are you? So I'm not gonna write this again because it's already here. So Sayun, good morning. Okay, Sayun, morning, how are you? Which translates to good morning. Yamji Sayun, evening, how are you? Which translates to good evening, right? Sayun, good morning. Yamji Sayun, good evening. Okay. And we'll move on to the next part of our lesson, which is combining some characters, right? And further refining our proficiency of the fourth syllable block, right? So first we have anda. An plus da equals to okay, I wrote this actually wrote an extra dot, so let's rewrite this. An plus da equals to anda, right? Anda means friend. Okay, then we have on plus cho equals to on cho. On cho means broad, right? Broad, so wide, broad. And then we have Manchu, right? So take a guess. What does Manchu mean? I forgot to split this. Man plus Chu. Manchu. Manchu means Manchu, right? So us, the Manchu people, Manchu. And if it's translated to Chinese, it means this. Manzhou, right? Manzhou, Manchu, Manchu. That's the name of the Manchu people, right? And then we have Anchun. So, oops. An plus chun. This means earring, Anchun. Anchun means earring. Then we have sun che. So, sun plus che. Sun che. Sun che means mushroom. Last we have sun zha. Sun plus zha equals Sunja. Sunja means 5. So moving on to the next part, we're going to connect some more letters. So I will be erasing this. Okay. Okay. So first we have plus yun, right? Yun. Yun. Yun means sister. And then we have Fon Jin. Fon plus Jin equals Fon Jin. Fon Jin means question. And then we have Nadan. So Na plus Dan equals to Nadan. Nadan means 7. Okay, so we have 3 more. Now we have U plus Yun. Yun. Oops, I actually wrote an extra dot. So Yun. Yun means 9, right? And then we have Zhuan. Oops, I forgot to split it. So Zhu plus 1 equals Zhuan. Zhuan means 10. Last we have Ri. So Un plus 2 plus Ri. Now I'm going to write it sideways, horizontally here. Okay. So it's going to be, okay, that wasn't that successful. I'm going to rewrite this. Ri. Okay, actually, to make this more clear, for when you connect it, you want to maximize. Alright, listen carefully, guys. This is very important. You want to maximize the distance between the first and the second little dot to show that it's not an or a, but right? So if it were a, it will be this. Now you can see the difference between the 2 dots, the distance between it. Has a very long distance, and an has a very little distance, right? So that's how we differentiate and an, which is based on the distance of the 2 little tails. So for you want to maximize it when you connect it with other words. So ri. Ri. Okay, moving on to the last part, where we will be breaking down words. So same as lesson 2, I'm only going to break down 2 words to demonstrate how it's done. And for the rest, you guys will have to do it, as homework. Okay? To further practice your proficiency and getting used to writing it without any help. That's a very important factor of learning. Okay, anyways, let's start with the first one, which is ninzhu, right? Ninzhu. top is nin, bottom is zhu. Nin zhu means 60. Okay. And for the second one, Yilan. Okay, we can draw a line in the middle. Top is yi, bottom is lan. Yilan. Yilan means 3. Okay. Now for the rest of the letters, you should do it as homework. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can contact me. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.